brother's working on the 74 Charger. Hey Luke, this is another big one for 2021. Probably the one I'm the most excited about. Charger, complete total restoration. It's gonna be amazing. This is the money maker right here. It's gonna take us a little while. Getting money together and just buying parts and doing what we need to do to get this car straight. Very excited about this one. I love the front end of this car. Looks so cool. I love the wheels. It's huge. How long's your Charger? 20?
16 and a half feet.
Oh, 16 and a half feet. I drove this car here.
It's 17 and a half feet long.
And Nick completely started stripping the car the first day we brought it here. Got to get that other bumper off the back. She needs a lot of work, but it's well worth it. Interior's already been gutted. We did all that. All right, they're over here teaching Jack how to weld, so this was like the shortest video ever. Super quick update just on a future project that we're going to be having. It's going to be starting very soon. 74 Dodge Charger. Luke!